What's up guys, Falcon Draw. I just want to show you something really cool that I downloaded off the internet. Hopefully it works, and yes it did. I downloaded this off the internet. It's a TNT map thing. I will put the download link in the description if you want it. Just, you have to comment and I'll be sure to reply. So, yeah. We're gonna blow. Oh. Okay, more than one, I see. Well, let's just blow this one up for starters. Because, wow. This is crazy. I just got to admit. Now my computer's Alright guys, we are back with quite a lot of damage, as you can see. Oh wow, there's basketballs. So that was a lot of TNT, and look what it did. I'm not sure, I think the creator of this map, I think he used MC Edit. Honestly I'm not really sure what MC Edit is. But I think it's kind of like too many items that lets you place blocks. And this is what I'm talking about. See you guys later.